When you're visiting a new city, the very best way to get acquainted is a walking tour. And even better if you get to stop and eat some local delights.
Breakfast item. It's called a buttery, and perhaps unkindly I sometimes think of it as a kind of roadkill croissant because it's made the same way, but it doesn't have the delightful shape. And to go with that, a little traditional Scottish strawberry jam. But I don't want to overburden. One of the things that obviously if you have money, you move down to Edinburgh, and no city wants to lose it. For those of you who go for the fish option, there's the Cullen skink. Okay?
Yeah.
I'll explain what Cullen skink is in a moment. For those of you who don't, a vegetable, Scottish vegetable soup, substitute for those who don't want to try the fish. Okay? But for all of you, we taster of the haggis. Just a little bit. I don't know whether you heard the explanation I gave earlier when I was talking about the haggis and people going, it's terrible things that's in there. No, it's the things you read on the internet, don't believe me. So the meat part of a haggis these days, a modern haggis, will be ground lamb, but it's